Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are gonna take a look at a new interesting piece. It's a piece from Seiko. But before I do that, I'm just gonna share some pictures of some watches that I managed to looked at and tested in my favorite watch shop in Penang. Yes, you know, with the whole COVID situation and the whole lockdown, the shop was closed down for, I would say, quite a while. It was closed down for a few months, and they only managed to open back I think sometime last month. So yeah, I took a trip down just this afternoon, because it's a Sunday here. So I went down and I had a chat with the owners, and looked at some new Seiko watches. So I'm gonna throw some pictures or some short video clips of some of the Seikos I managed to try, but none of them are what I picked up today. But yeah, so just enjoy, and I'll come back with the watch later on. Alright, so I hope you find the short, clips or short images of the new Seiko watches interesting. So here is, I'm just gonna do like a quick unboxing. So yeah, it's a typical Seiko white box that you get. So here is the warranty booklet, and here is the manual, the user manual, and from here, yup, you can more or less guess what watch it's gonna be. Ta-da! Okay, so this watch here, well, this is what I would call, let me turn on the light here. Okay, so I have been really waiting for this for quite a while. It's their new 38mm solar version of their diverse watch. So let me get the part number here. This is SNE571P1. I have been wanting to get this particular colorway since they announced it, since this line is available in Malaysia. But initially they only brought in the paddy version. They have I think the black with the globe kind of pattern on the dial, and it has some blue. I somehow find that too gaudy, and when I looked at pictures of this color, I knew I had to get it, because it's a very special color that I've never had before. There is also a bluish version which they did not have, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to get some picture of the watch. But yeah, if you look at the color, it's somehow like a faded brown. It's a brownish, or I would say a sand or taupe color, and the dial, it's kind of like a deep dark brown. And what's cool about this new Seiko is that it comes with a sapphire crystal. So it's no longer a hard wax, but it's a sapphire. But unfortunately, I don't think there is any anti-reflective coating. Yeah, I typically find that sapphire crystal, they are a little reflective compared to mineral crystals. So without an AR, even for a flat sapphire crystal, sometimes you will get some kind of reflection. But the beauty of this is, like, I like the bezel. I don't know, I just somehow like the bezel. It has like a faded, a patina style kind of look, but it's not faded. It's an aluminum insert, and yeah, it's a 120 click unidirectional bezel. And the feeling, it's unlike the typical SKX or the typical mini turtle. It's a little I would say it's a little tight to push around. It's not as easy to play around with the bezel, but it's still good. And I think the alignment, it's good. Let's look at a second hand. Yep, I think it's hitting all the markers quite accurate, maybe 90%, 95% accurate, not 100%, but yeah, it's better than I would say some other quartz watches. So yeah, so this is what you get for the money. Yeah, the price is ringgit Malaysia 2000 ringgit and 45 2045 ringgit, I'm sorry. So yeah, what does this money brings you here? Yep, if you can see by now, it's yep, unfortunately it's hollow ending and the typical Seiko press class, but because it's a diver's watch, it has a dive extension. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna peel off the stickers and I'm gonna size the watch up and just take a quick reshot, right? So yeah. Right, so I've sized up the watch. It comes with the typical Seiko pins and collars where they always use for their Pro Specs diver. So it took a while, but to me it's still okay because I'm quite used to, you know, sizing these pins and collars bracelet. And yeah, if I take a closer look on the bracelet, I think it resembles the bracelet on, say, my Seiko Mini Turtle. Maybe just hold on a while. Let me grab my Seiko Mini Turtle and we will look if, you know, they are sharing the same bracelet. But I know it's a different end link because this is a hollow end link and the Mini Turtle comes with a solid end link. So I'm just gonna quickly grab my Mini Turtle. So this is my one of my latest acquisition, the Frost Mini Turtle, which I got recently. It's a JDM model. So yeah, let's do a side-by-side comparison of the bracelet. Okay, I don't know, they look quite similar. So let's see, the side of the links are almost the same length, the mid link is about the same. Let's compare the thickness, shall we? Yeah, maybe they're the same, they share the same design. They're not exactly the same, but maybe they are. Let me try to do something like this that will definitely scratch up the bracelet, but yeah, for the sake of you guys, yeah, I think they are you know, the links are the same. So yep, so maybe that's one of the reason why this this new Solar Diver, they come with hollow end links, because I think Seiko is sharing the bracelet with their other models and they just want to save some cost and not to make a solid end links. This is what I'm guessing, but yeah, as I mentioned, the Mini Turtle comes with a solid end link bracelet. But the good thing is that this is also a female end link, so yeah, the effective lug to lug is just the lug to lug of the case size. Alright, so I guess that's it for this first look. It's not a full review yet because I just got this today, just this afternoon. You know, I went downtown just after lunch, and yeah, I just came back with this watch. So I'm gonna spend like a few more weeks or a few more months with this watch before I come back with a more detailed review. So yeah, if you're interested, so please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on the full review when it's out. So yeah, till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video and stay safe. I'm really liking the color of the bezel.